Hey guys, KB5068861 or KB5068865 is not installing on Windows 11 version 24, H2, or 25 H2 and keeps failing or getting stuck. This video will show you how to fix it step by step. This issue usually happens because of corrupted update files, disabled services, leftover cache files, or system file errors. First, make sure your internet connection is stable and disconnect any VPN before continuing. Now press the Windows key, type Services, open it, scroll down to Windows Update, double-click it, set Startup Type to Automatic, and if it's not running, click Start, then Apply and OK. Find Background Intelligent Transfer Service, open it, and make sure it is also set to Automatic and running. Close the Services window, then press Windows R, type CMD, and press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to open Command Prompt as Administrator. Type sfc/scannow and press Enter, then wait until the scan finishes 100%. If any errors are repaired, restart your PC before moving on. After restarting, open Command Prompt as Administrator again and run this command DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Let the process complete fully even if it appears slow or stuck. Restart your PC again and try installing KB5068861 or KB5068865 from Windows Update. If the update still doesn't install, resetting Windows Update components usually fixes it. Open Command Prompt as Administrator and run these commands one by one: netstop wazerv, netstop bits, netstop cryptcvc, and netstop mc server. Restart your computer, then go back to Settings, Windows Update, and try installing the update again. If it still fails, manually installing the update is the most reliable solution. Open your browser, search for Microsoft Update Catalog KB5068865 or KB5068861. Choose the correct version for your system and install it manually. After installation, restart your PC and check update history to confirm the update was installed successfully. If this video helped you fix the Windows 11 update issue, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows fixes, and I will see you in the next video.